Hi there, so this is my little test of the Australian Magpie AI audio model. I'm just going to load it up here. Please excuse my dirty phone screen. So you can see this is how you can get it to it publicly. You'll come to this website, you press enter, and then you get these four choices. Do these look like they're properly spaced out? They kind of look not exactly the right spaced out. Okay, I will work on that. So this is the Magpie model. The loading screen is still a little bit ugly, but we can fix that. Now you have to choose to allow it on your phone, and then now it's listening. Now, of course, the easiest way to test this is to go somewhere like YouTube where there might be some recordings, because obviously it's for use outside with actual birds. But for now, I'll just use some just random YouTube videos. So you can see that it's working already and that it's actually moving between choices quite quickly. The thing about Australian magpies is that they are improvisational songbirds. So what this means is that I had to make a choice between having entire sort of magpie phrases that mean something and having, in a sense, the equivalent of singular words. Now, because they're improvisational, entire phrases are not exactly the same each time. So instead, I trained this AI on 1 second snippets, which is why it's probably changing relatively quickly, because it's hearing these little 1 second phrases that it understands and is moving between them. And in my writing of the poetry, I had to make a similar decision to say that these should be very short snippets. And I went through a process of thinking, how do you write a lot of very, very short snippets that are also interesting to people, and also respond to the idea that with a songbird, there's no direct meaning necessarily, or at least not that we know of, for these sounds. Instead, I could be a little bit more artistic or poetic and think of these birds as storytellers, because they're not communicating necessarily exact meanings with every single little phrase. You can see I was zooming in before on all the little classes that you can see running down the side. That's a bit of the code that you can see running down the side. Now these magpies are making a particular call over and over again, slightly different each time. So you'll see some of the same phrases coming up over and over again, like that one and that one we've already seen before. It should return to some of those same wordings because these sounds are similar to each other. So there it is, a little quick test.